Boy, do we have a special one today. The 69 Camaro Pro Touring complete ground-up build. Here's the documentation. Only about 1,200 miles since it's been finished. The colors are what first grabbed me. That charcoal gray with the red custom leather interior. 383 stroker under the hood, making over 400 horsepower. 5-speed manual, upgraded brakes. Go to volocars.com where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can click on the scan the QR code, and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't this one a looker? Well, it's more than just a looker. It's a car you're going to want to get in and drive as well. Professionally restored at a shop. The body was done in 2020, 5 years ago, and it is all straight, no damage, no issues. Has the SS hood, all fits beautifully, all clean, straight, smooth, no emblems. They cleaned it up that way. No antenna. All this is real nice, all the way to the bottom. Smooth, clean, straight fitting, nice fitting car. Door jambs look nice. All the way down to the bottom. And I was painted a nice charcoal gray metallic. It's all laid out evenly. Then the clear coat is polished smooth and glossy. Has a rear spoiler. Color keyed bumpers. They're both smooth. There's no bumper bolts showing. This is all smooth, clean, straight. Sometimes there'd be a seam right here. That's filled in smooth. This molding right here is painted to match the car. So are the marker lights. All the way down to the bottom. You can see the beautiful reflection. All really nice, slick, sharp. I don't even see any nicks or chips. I'm not saying there aren't any, but I haven't noticed any. The paint and body is beautiful. And you might have noticed there's a hockey stick stripe. Smooth to the touch. It's 2 shades darker than the car, so I guess you can kind of call it a ghost stripe. He shortened it a little bit just to be a little different. Normally they come back to there. Just give it a cleaner, more modern look. The front bumper is color matched and smooth. Has LED halo headlights. The grille has been replaced. The ice cube trays are new and they're nice and shiny. The windshield is really nice and clear, but there is a wiper mark going across here. The moldings, looks like they've all been replaced. Now check out the wheels. They're Schott wheels. They're not cheap. Those are 18s in front, 19s in back, and they're held on with this centerpiece here. There's no lug nuts. It's a center, like a spinner type wheel. The wrench is in the trunk. They're wrapped in Bridgestone performance tires. There's pictures of the top on our website. It's upgraded with a nice black German cloth convertible top. All the weather strips are replaced. The top frame was repainted. And lastly, it has LED tail lights as well. Why don't we open it up? I'm going to love to show you that interior. All right, I'm going to show you a beautiful trunk compartment too. Whoever did the upholstery work in this car did a great job. So under the trunk lid is got a custom panel. It's upholstered, and I like these nice little stainless screws holding it in. The jamb is painted nice. The weather strips replaced. Inside's all boxed. Has some nice design work. Upholstered, carpeted floor. Even the hinges are upholstered. Now this is really cool here. The battery is behind this here. I've seen battery boxes, but never one like that. So that was custom made. And this is the spinner, or the tool that you would use to remove the wheel. Don't lose that. And it is dynamatted underneath the carpet there. Sound deadener. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. They did replace the weather strips, and the sill plates are custom. Now this is an all leather interior, and you might be able to see the red LEDs hiding underneath there. All custom made, custom upholstered. There's the diamond stitching, black billet hardware. And again, leather. So many people say leather and it's vinyl. The leather wrapped dash. custom analog and digital gauges. I was playing around with the buttons, and it's kind of cool. It can tell you 0 to 60 times and that sort of thing. And it has 1,924 miles on it right now. Upgraded vintage air electric controls, not the old cables. Digital retro stereo with Bluetooth. New vents. This is all painted nicely. Kick panels wrapped in leather. You got speakers. You got custom carpet. Custom made center console, goes from front to back. Really cool. I think it's a Ring Brothers shifter and handle. You got more of the stainless hardware. Cup holder. Very comfortable seats. Power seats on both sides, passenger and driver. And again, very comfortable, glove soft leather. And then you got the console that extends all the way back. There may be speakers behind here too. You got bucket seats, all custom side panels. What a cool interior. I love the interior in this car. So the visors, those are vinyl, probably the only thing not leather, but they did a real nice job. Even the pillars are wrapped in leather. You got a new mirror. You got a I Did It chrome column, billet specialty wheel. All new wiring through the car, new wiring harness, upgraded pedals down there. So yeah, really cool. I could just sit in this car all day, cruising down the highway, of course. And the interior is also covered with the Dynamat sound deadener. Now this is from Blueprint Engines. We have the paperwork on it. It's a 383 stroker making 410 horsepower. We have the dyno sheet. So it has aluminum heads, has a Y-end aluminum intake painted the color of the car, a dual feed Holley carb with premium fittings and lines, MSD ignition back there. It's got Patriot coated headers. And look how the firewall is smoothed out, and of course the whole engine bay is painted. There's this really cool front filler panel, really cleans things up, stainless hardware. I would imagine that's your overflow bottle. Here's your radiator. Then the front of the engine is a March billet front runner system. You got it's a vintage air heat and air system, polished AC compressor, billet serpentine pulleys and brackets, polished alternator, modern power steering. That's what this cap's for, the power steering. Now it runs cool with an aluminum radiator, or aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. I like the upper hose. It's a hard pipe, also painted to match. You probably noticed the valve covers, breather, air cleaner, they're all matching and they're all painted in between the fins the same color as the car. Wilwood master cylinder, power brakes, Wilwood master cylinder for the hydraulic clutch, new wiper motor, the squirters are hooked up, and then you got the billet hinges, which I really like too. They look sharp and they function so nicely. So Michael's going to take you for a drive in this one, show you how cool it is, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
Everybody, what a custom Camaro we got here. Kind of a pro touring build with the upgraded suspension, big fat sway bars front and back, tubular control arms up front with adjustable coilovers. Get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. You won't be disappointed. And then this engine, man, 383 stroker, runs fantastic. I've had it started several times already, and it's just easy to work with. Turn the key and she goes. And it's dressed nicely too. Beautiful valve covers and air cleaner, as you guys just saw. 5-speed manual transmission. So go ahead and take this one for a nice long cruise to the car show. Let's see what she's got. She's got the nod from the trucker. Looking good, definitely. All right. What a great sounding exhaust, I tell you. Bump it into 5th gear, see where we sit. 60 miles an hour is looking like 1,800 RPMs approximately. So yeah, just a great setup. Just like this custom interior is absolutely fabulous. It's got good cushion to it, but it's very supportive as well. And I mean, the looks speak for themselves. Let's see how this custom front end's set up. This thing runs down the street straight as an arrow. I tell you, you don't take my word for it. Come test drive it for yourself. Just contact our sales department with a day's notice and they'll be happy to arrange that for you. And outside of that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
It has a lot going on underneath the car, so much I'm going to refer to my notes. It has a classic performance Stage 4 Pro Touring handling package. Now what that includes up front, big fat tubular control arms, big fat sway bar, coilover adjustable gas shocks, Hotchkiss steering components, and a new steering box. There's low profile frame connectors tying the front to the back, helps prevent that body twist and makes it handle better. Where it has new 2-inch lowering springs, new bushings, Fox gas shocks, and a sway bar. Willwood disc brake system, drilled and slotted disc brakes at all 4 wheels. 6 piston calipers up front. I like the red calipers showing through the wheels too. I mean, they look great. It has the new fuel system, all compatible. For this engine, the lines, the fuel pump, all that has been replaced. Great sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. Looking up at the motor, it's still spotless, has a high torque starter. It's a Tremec 5-speed manual trans with a hydraulic center force clutch, American powertrain white lightning shifter. A rebuilt drive shaft goes back to the 10-bolt rear end with a Mosier 373 posi gear, and it has the aluminum girdle cover. The floors are really clean. They've been neatly prepped and sprayed with a black chip guard paint. Everything under this car looks neat, orderly, fresh, very nicely done. It has an electric emergency brake too. There's a button on the dash and the e-brake comes on electronically. So front to back, top to bottom, this is an amazing car. The look, the function, the comfort, the performance, everything about it. The stance, the wheels, it's got it going on. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this Camaro delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.